Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to measure volume of liquids with a graduated cylinder. Okay, so I have here two graduated cylinders. I'm going to start with this one here. Now the first thing I want us to look at is the numbers on the graduated cylinder. How are those numbers counting? Well, we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. So yes, those numbers are counting by tens. However, look at the lines, okay? There are lines in between the tens. So what we have to do first is determine what each of those lines are counting by, okay? So one thing that you can do is count your number of lines from one 10 to the next. So we'll start down here at 10. You see this long line here is where the 10 begins, okay? So from the 10, okay, up to the 20 right here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? So the way that we tell how these lines are counting is we take we look at the numbers, we notice they're going by tens, then we look at how many lines in between each 10, how many lines go from one 10 to the next, and we divide those two numbers. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So these lines are counting by twos. Now let's look and see and test that. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so we know that in this graduated cylinder, we're counting by twos. Okay, I have another graduated cylinder here. Let's see if this one counts the same. It's kind of hard to see those numbers there, but these numbers, are they counting by tens? No, they're not counting by tens, are they? They're going 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. In this graduated cylinder, the numbers are counting by fives. But let's look at what the lines are doing. So let's go from one number to the next. And so we see that the numbers are counting by 5. So we're going to divide with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these numbers are counting by fives. There are 5 lines between from one number to the next. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. So this one must count by ones. Let's see. If this is 5, then that would be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yes, we're right. In this graduated cylinder, the lines are counting by ones. In this graduated cylinder, the lines are counting by twos. Now, sometimes graduated cylinders might count by 20s. Sometimes they might count by 5s or 10s. You just have to look at it and see how it's counting before you can measure your liquid. Now let's measure some liquid. Okay, I have some water here. I'm going to pour some into the graduated cylinder. Oops, you can't see that. And let's see what we have. Now it's real important that you get eye level with the top of the water. And notice here that it's up beyond 60. I can hold it straight. And we determined that in this graduated cylinder, we're counting by twos. So if this is 60, you need to use this finger, then 62, 64, 66 is right there where the top of that water is. Okay, and notice that it's 66 milliliters. Okay, so the volume of my liquid here, which is water, is 66 milliliters. And that is how you measure liquids with a graduated cylinder.